Hello, and today I'm going to be attempting to make Nightmare Huggy Wuggy. So, I'm going to do exactly what I did yesterday. But make a pointer. That's what I'm going to do. I have been getting kicked a lot from my own server. And I find it very weird. So, now we gotta do his eyes. I think I'm gonna do frying pan since they're just pitch black. Hold on, let me save this. That one's occupied somehow. Scan by. Okay. Now I gotta do his mouth. I'm gonna have to probably leave out the legs this time because last time I didn't have to do a scary huggy mouth. So, or like, whatever you want to call it. I'm just very worried about making another video because it's been kicking me out of my servers a lot. I don't know why, but like, oh gosh, why is his eyes like that? What did I make? His eyes are so... Better if I gave him a bigger smile. It's good for now. I gotta do his body. I don't know how I could like make it more nightmare huggy-ish. Other than the head. Okay, so I got nightmare huggy. Now, I mean, I kind of feel like I'm just repeating the same thing I did yesterday. Just making huggy again. My arm broken. No, alright. Alright, it looks good enough. I think after this today, or I'm planning on doing 2 or 1 video a day. So, gonna be one of them. Or I might do a second one. Depends on how I'm feeling. I've got nightmare huggy. If I could find him. I have too many things in here that I gotta sort out. Things I want and I don't want. Some things, like some of my grab packs, I don't really want. Don't know why I'm coming over here, but for the hands, I did see someone with a Huggy Wuggy, or like the only other Huggy Wuggy that's a blue gorilla. And since I did mine with glow sticks originally, and his had bananas, which made it look like he had long fingers, kind of like Nightmare Huggy, but he wasn't Nightmare Huggy. So I'm gonna go find myself a banana. Wait. I think I'm gonna go to forest. I'll go with my... my stash. Yeah. Oh. Alright. It's been about like 2 hours since I did the nightmare huggy, but I feel a lot more better about myself. This might be the only video I put up today. I might record one today, but not edit it. So if you forgot, which you didn't, cause like it was like 2 seconds ago, I don't know that. But we got nightmare huggy. I'm pretty sure I put it in my stash. He's gonna go over there now. Actually, I'm just gonna put him on my back. Sure, it's like right there, but. So, now we gotta make his arms. I don't think I'm gonna make legs though. I think I'm super skinny. Because, let's see. 3, 8, 11, 12, 14, 15. So 18. I could do legs. I'm gonna do the legs really quick. So, I'm gonna get one piece of goop. I'm gonna get a whole bunch of MOEs. Whoever that is. But let me put all the MOEs like this. I'm gonna get the banana. Who are you? Look at cookies on my friends list. Bye. Yeah, he is. Banana. I'm gonna use this as these like fingers, mostly.
I'm back.
Well, hi. Hi, I guess.
Hi.
I need to get something.
Let me give you something that I got.
Smaller. I just need a smaller banana.
That I got from fishing.
I got it. No, I got it. So. Actually, I need to. I need to get sticky dynamite.
Did you play that Labubu sound?
No.
What? No. Wait, give me it. Give me it.
Are you?
Dang it. I'm not evil. Oh, it's on your butt. What's that? Guess what? What? Do it with me, everybody. I need to teach y'all something. You know what? You want to hear me think of that? You know, let's try to safe zone and do that. Do I need it though? Do I really need it? Bro, your friend stole my hammer. Why are you lying?
Was it a yellow or a purple one?
It's him.
No.
He stole my hammer.
Yeah, well, is it a yellow or a purple one?
It's big, really big.
Well, I can't get that back.
It's a huge one that is purple and green. It's cremate colors.
Oh, well, I don't know what to do about that.
Kill me. I was just defending myself. You're trying to kill me. I can damage you with this pole?
No.
Yeah, I can.
Oh. Can you guys stop?
Your banana's over there.
One more thing, and
it's right here.
I'm kicking you guys. I swear.
It's right here. He's literally hitting you guys. It's not me. Did you what you're looking for? Mr. Pancake.
What?
This is what he lost.
Oh.
He attacked me. Don't think I don't see your gun.
Look at Steven. Hopefully I don't have to now.
Let me think. Man, why is my gun always have no ammo in it? It's kind of sad you missed that bad. Who's that? Hey, who's that? What is that? Kind of real. Oh, he's up there in the corner of the building. If you mess with it, he's gonna kick you. I'd be careful, oh yeah.
No pancakes, do you have remote control or not?
Why are you popping my balloons?
Fuck is it? You have remote control or not? Oh yes.
Okay, it's getting old. Who's popping my balloons? I'm not popping your balloons. Yeah, say you were. I said, go keep popping my balloons. I don't see. Dan, what are you making? That was not me. Or him.
This way. This ends up. Someone else.
Banana, let's go. Let's eat your gun. Banana, we can eat your gun, dude. Wait, what are you building? Where'd you come from?
Who's he?
What? The purple guy? Oh, I don't know.
Okay.
He's just eating everything. No. And he's screaming. Let me get it. Let me get it. Let me get it. It's coming. Okay, yeah, my boy. Did he die? He left. What are you doing? I just talked to Mr. Pancake. He's trying to kick me.
Oh, well.
Maybe don't kill me.
Where'd you go? You're invisible.
Can I trade this?
What's that? Is that a bass?
It's
What is that, dude?
Salmon monster.
Looks like a bass. Mr. Pancake, what are you doing?
Building.
Hey, can I have that?
No, not currently now.
Why does every time I get a balloon, it pops?
Cause you could leave it for too long and it pops.
No, like I was just activating it and it pops. Don't get any ideas.
What?
I know you see my watch.
No, I'm gonna make the arms.
Oh shit, it went away.
Hey, can you blow me up real quick?
I'm gonna blow you up.
Alright, thanks.
He told me to do it. Oh, dude.
Alright.
You won't hit me, right? You won't hit me. Should've never came out of section.
Wait, can I
Here,
see
watch.
the hammer?
Can you see what?
I want to see my hammer again.
Oh yeah, I'll go get it. Oh, yeah, I did my code wrong. Hold on.
Okay. Now I'm going to add some willow.
Okay, have a hammer.
So I can hold it anywhere.
Do you want to see it? No. Okay.
I dare you to come out of pencil with that.
The hammer?
Yep.
I see the gun in your hand.
I dare you to do it.
Give me a gun, I'll do it. No weapons. Get outside, take them. No, get outside, take them.
Just not kidding.
Come
No,
here.
I say.
Okay, what about him? I'm out. Back in.
Put it back in there. Do you want to go to mine?
Sure. Why you need to be big? What's going on?
I gotta make the hand. Everyone's finally gone. They're in the mine, so yeah. So I'm gonna get like a big explosion come from over there. But now I'm going to make the hand. I'm gonna start with my huggy. How exciting. Do I want to use the big one? That's the thing. I might not wanna. That's too big. I don't think I'm ever gonna use this for something. But like, yeah. Bye bye.
What's your pancake? What's the point of this?
What's the point of what?
Look what I can do. Hold on. Where'd he go? Wait a minute. Look at this pancake. That's pretty cool. Like movable arms.
What are you making?
A middle finger.
No.
Can I please have my member back? Because you took it away for the goo building, you never get it back.
You never
Please
do
not touch my creations, okay? Yeah, I just gave it back.
Oh, let's go.
Everyone, go over there, okay?
Thank you.
Just stay out of my building.
Axolotl, let's fight.
Hold on.
Well, no, you can't have double fist.
I'm not getting double fist.
Get a melee weapon, let's fight.
Oh, melee?
Yeah, you can have one ogre fist or whatever.
Nope, I don't need this. What weapon do you have? Ooh. Hard decision.
I think that's your item.
You can have it, I don't care. I own those.
Okay, that's what you're gonna use. You can use two. They can't be the same item though. Okay, let's go. Our items are about to be. Oh, you have four.
You're cooked.
Axolotl, you're cooked. Axolotl, you're cooked. I'm being a protector. I'm protecting y'all. Got him. Oh my.
Wait, stay out on the battlefield. Stay out on the battlefield.
Dude, here. I don't need it.
Hey, no guns.
That's not your favorite.
I don't really want these. I'm just gonna go give them away real quick.
Bro, this freaking hacking it just kept killing me.
The war here is happening. Wait, no. What is he doing?
Alright, here we go. There just needs to be something in my stash. One, two. These are right here when no one's coming to get them. Now this is his hand. I gotta organize this stuff. Here's the body. This right here. And no one's going to touch them.
Oh god. Oh, he's building Huggy Wuggy.
Don't touch anything over here.
I'm gonna trade for one of these.
Is there a piece of sticky dynamite on it? No. Alright. Well, this is the final.
No.
I think it looks pretty good.
I'm full. Meatloaf.
Yeah.
Kill Huggy
I can't really
Wuggy.
attack with these, you know, bananas. But I can do this. Oh,
Kill Huggy Wuggy.
that's it. That's it for today's video.
Is it just